Hey guys, I'm Anastasia. If you're new to this channel, hello, thank you for stopping by. So I thought for today's video I would do the random number generator chooses my eyeshadow colors I use. And I asked a whole bunch of you guys on Facebook what video you think I should film next, and so many of you guys chose this one. So thank you so much for voting on that poll, and let's get started right on into this. I'm going to be using the Makeup Geek eyeshadow palette. This is a custom palette I made myself, and I haven't used any of these colors, so let's get started right on into it. So I have 22 eyeshadows in this Makeup Geek palette, so I'm going to just do 1 out of 22, and I think I'm going to do 3 eyeshadow colors. Keep it kind of simple, not too crazy. So I'm going to do 22. I've got the random number generator up on the screen, and let's do this. So I'm going to do generate. So I've got 1 out of 22, generate. Number 2. Oh, this is starting out to be good. So number 2 in this palette is this beautiful light color right here, and this is the color, let me get it out. This is Shimma Shimma. So I'm going to be using Shimma Shimma. Let's see, I'm going to do it again for the third color. So I'm going to click generate. 9. Okay. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so the next color is this pretty pink color right here. And this is Mango Tango. And I'm throwing my eyeshadows around. Okay. Focus. Okay, Mango Tango. And it's this pretty red color. Okay, and then last but not least, I'm going to do generate one more time. 12. Okay. I feel like this keeps unfocusing on me. Okay, 12. So this was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, this is going to be a really easy look. I looked out. This is called Burlesque. Come on. Focus. It's Burlesque, and this is a pretty brown color. Okay, so I've got my 3 colors. This is going to be actually kind of easy. At the same time, a little sad because I was hoping for something a little more fun and a little more challenging, but we will roll with this, okay? I guess what I can try and do is I'm going to put this color, Shimma Shimma, I guess all over my eye and in the inner corner, because I just have a little powder over my, I have a little bit of powder over my lids, but that's about it. So I guess I'm going to try putting this all over the lid. So I'm just going to go ahead and get, stop dropping them! And I'm going to put all over my lid. Actually, that's not a bad color. It's actually kind of subtle, which is nice. So I'm going to put this all over my lid. I thought my mom was gone. Okay. So just putting this all over the lid. Hope you guys can see this good enough because okay, that's actually kind of pretty and nice and subtle. I might do this on that like inner corner, but we will see. Okay, so then I think what I might do is I think I'm going to put the color Mango Tango in the crease of my eyes. So I'm going to get my, this is the Morphe M430, and I'm just going to take the Mango Tango color, put a little on my brush, tap some excess off. I'm going to put this in the crease. Like so. Who be texting me? Okay. Oh, this is actually really pretty. I don't know if you guys can see this because of how bright my light is, but I'm going to turn down my light a little because it's really pretty. And maybe I should move you guys in a little closer. So I'm just putting this in the crease of my eye, and this is actually a really pretty color. And I think I might actually like this. Okay. So just blending this nicely in the crease, really blending it out. Oh, I like that. That looks nice. And my stomach is growling because I'm hungry. Maybe I should get some hot Cheetos and just eat those. Oh, I love how this blends. Oh my goodness. And these are like my first time digging into these colors. I got 5 new eyeshadow colors yesterday. And I want this a little more statement-ish, so I'm gonna just kind of put more pink in. This is a really pretty color. I like that. So far I've used Shimma Shimma and Mango Tango, and so I decided to move you guys just a tad bit closer so you could see in better detail what I am doing on my eyes. So now I'm gonna go in with Burlesque, and I'm going to use the Morphe M326 brush. It's this really tiny tapered brush right here, and I'm gonna put a little, just a tiny bit on, tap off some, and put this in the corner and really work it. So I'm just putting a little on, tapping it off, and then I'm going to just kind of work it like this. And I'm only going about halfway because I'm going to go in with Shimma Shimma, and I think I might use a glitter glue to make it a little stand out more. And then I'm going to go in with this angled brush right here, and I'm just going to kind of go like this and blend it out nicely. And really blend this out. Like that. I like that. Looks very nice. Okay. Now I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. And then what I'm going to do is go back in. I'm not going to put any new product on this shadow brush right here. And I'm just going to blend it out some more. No new product. I'm just going in and blending and making it transition better. Okay, so I like that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to get, and this is my favorite glitter primer. It literally has so much in it. This is the NYX glitter primer, and it is so good. I love it. I'm going to this one still has glitter on it. I'm going to use a different one then, because I'm just going to take this like little flat brush and I'm going to put the eyeshadow primer in the inner corner and kind of crease it like so. Example. So now that I have that on my eye, I'm just going to go and take Shimma Shimma again. And I'm going to get my same brush I used, and I'm going to get Shimma Shimma, and I'm just going to put this in the, oh, that's going to be very dramatic. I'm just going to very gently put this in the crease. And I'm just going to pat this on. I'm not going to swipe on because I do not want it to be all over the lid. Okay, like that. And then I'm going to blend it out. And then I'm going to make it a little more defined over here. You don't want to go in too crazy. And now I'm going to take that same angled blending brush, and I'm going to blend this out and make it look more natural and more blended. So I'm just doing that right now, like so. Can you see the difference between this eye right here where it's not blended and this eye right here where it is blended? You don't see this harsh line right here. Just really blend this out. And I actually kind of like that look. Okay, so I'm going to do one more thing. I'm going to go with that same shade. Put these back in place first. I'm going to go back in with Mango Tango, and I'm just going to take a really small brush. Same one I used for the brown, but I'm going to put this on the under eye. Kind of tap that out. I'm going to move this so I can see better. So I got this new eyeliner that I'm going to go get and I'm going to use and give you guys my first impression. It's also from Makeup Geek, and I got it in the haul that I opened up yesterday. So give me one moment while I go get that. Okay, so the new liner I got is this Makeup Geek one, and it's just in nude. I thought I would put this on the inner corner or underline. Like so. And just do that. Wow, that is the perfect eyeliner. Wow, that really applied on so easily. I really like that. Okay, that looks a lot better than I thought. So now I'm just going to put my eyeliner on real quickly. Okay, so now the mascara I'm going to be using is the Urban Decay Perversion mascara. I used this years and years ago, and I had a little sample of it. Thought, you know what, why not use it today? So I'm just going to use it and see what I think. See if I still like it like I did. This isn't really that good of a mascara for getting really close into the inner corner of your eyes, but it does make your lashes look good, I gotta say that. Okay, so now for lip color, I have a whole bunch of options right here, and I kind of want to do something that I may regret doing, but that's too dramatic for this look, I think. But this, that's the one because I don't want to be here all day. Okay. I expect that off. Yeah, that's just weird. Okay. So I'm going to just use the Urban Decay lipstick in Disobedient. And you're just going to... Okay. Well, here's to me trying new pink lipsticks and going out of my comfort zone. Okay, my battery is slowly dying, but thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this challenge look, whatever you want to call it. I had a lot of fun doing this. It's definitely different than what I did normally would use, and I gotta say I love the way this look turned out. And this lipstick color, I'm actually not mad about. I actually do like this color. It's out of my comfort zone, but it's actually really nice. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe with the button down here, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye!